Is your server gasping for air under heavy workloads? This NEMIX RAM kit might just be the upgrade it desperately needs. We're talking a massive 4 TB of DDR5 ECC RDIMM server memory, specifically designed for demanding environments. This kit comes as 16 sticks, each packing 256 GB, running at a speedy 5600 MHz. That PC 544800 spec means it can handle a serious amount of data throughput. The CL46 latency isn't the absolute tightest out there, but for server applications where stability and capacity are king, it's a very reasonable trade-off. NEMIX RAM is pitching this as a simple way to boost your computing environment, and honestly, they're not wrong. More memory translates directly to smoother multitasking, faster processing of large datasets, and an overall more responsive system. Installation is usually straightforward, but always double-check your motherboard manual, especially with this much RAM. This particular kit is listed as compatible with Supermicro's B13DET motherboard, as well as some of their optimized servers, like the SBI 421E1T3N and SBI 421E5T3N. Compatibility is crucial with server memory, so make absolutely sure it's on the approved vendor list for your specific hardware before you buy. The fact that it's ECC-registered memory is a big deal for servers. ECC, or Error Correcting Code, helps prevent data corruption, which is vital for maintaining uptime and data integrity in critical applications. The registered part means there's a register between the memory controller and the DRAM chips, which improves stability, especially with large memory configurations like this. NEMIX RAM emphasizes their commitment to quality and offers a lifetime replacement warranty, which is reassuring. Server memory isn't cheap, so knowing you're covered in case of any issues is a definite plus. They also boast about their IT support staff, which could be a lifesaver if you run into any compatibility or configuration problems. Overall, this NEMIX RAM 4 TB DDR5 kit looks like a solid option for anyone needing to max out their server's memory capacity. It's fast, reliable, and backed by a strong warranty. If you're running a Supermicro system and need a serious memory upgrade, this is definitely worth considering. It's a powerful upgrade that could breathe new life into your server.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.